and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1, we'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2, we'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3, learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4, discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
Hey friends, Eric Holmlund here, and along with Fire Launchers, this is my first launch of 2024, and we are really excited about it. Get ready for CourseMate AI. I'm here in my backyard in Colorado. We got a little bit of snow last night. I actually had to move about 50 yards away from my house because it was kind of noisy with all the water dripping down the rain gutters from the roof. So I'm standing kind of in the back of my yard. Anyway, CourseMate AI is a really great platform that you and your customers, your subscribers are really going to love. You may recall one of our top selling, most successful platforms in recent years was called Courserious. Now, the reason why people loved Courserious and why it sold so well is because it was a great alternative to platforms like Udemy or Teachable, right? Instead of having to pay fees, either pay a monthly subscription fee or pay a percentage of your sales to a platform like that, somebody could join Courserious for a small one-time fee during our launch, and then they can launch essentially as many courses as they want. They never have to pay any additional fees or royalties or anything like that. Plus, with Courserious, you could upload PLR products. There was no limitation on, what you could upload and sell. This is really the next evolution of that concept. CourseMate AI is built as a similar platform like Courserious in the sense that it is a learning based platform. It's a course type of platform like Udemy or Teachable. You can upload and sell courses, but this one is fully infused with AI. In fact, you can use the platform to create brand new courses with AI. And I'm talking about full-fledged multimedia courses. So think about all the different types of media that you might use in creating an educational course. It could be eBooks, could be audio files, could be video courses. You can create all of that with CourseMate AI. You can hop in there and it can actually give you names of courses for you. It can create that course outline. You can then create the lessons for the course with our lesson builder. And you can create lessons using eBooks. You can create documents. You can actually create flip books. You can create children's eBooks. And then one of my favorite features, of course, is the video creator, because video courses these days are what probably most best-selling courses are comprised of, is videos. And so you can have the AI create the scripts for you. You can have the AI read the scripts for you, and then you can have the AI create those videos for you, complete with the slides. So it truly does create courses from scratch by harnessing the power of AI. If you think that sounds compelling, it is. That's why your subscribers and customers are going to love it. And so, as usual, we've got a launch week contest for JVs. Going to make it lots of fun. And of course, we're going to, part of why it's going to be so fun is because your customers are going to be so happy with what they're getting in CourseMate AI. So jump on board. We look forward to having you participate. Thank you so much.